This article discusses the importance of landscaping with rocks and provides solutions for preventing weeds.
The article talks about the importance of landscaping with rocks. It basically reduces water use, the need to mow, and won't blow away like mulch.
Plus, it looks great. But we can all agree that weeds can be a real issue, so we'll go over some solutions on what to put under our rocks to prevent weeds.
Right. So first things first, make sure you select an area that is already weed-free, or if you need to lay the rocks fast, dig up the weeds and get rid of their roots.
You can also spray the weeds with a non-selective herbicide. Just be careful not to spray your bushes as that will kill them.
Good tip. And if you don't need to lay the rocks immediately, put plastic over the area for 6 weeks or more to kill the weeds, though this will not work in cold weather.
A steel edging border around 3 to 4 inches high is also a great idea as it prevents weeds, plants, and grass from laying down roots in the rock beds.
Very good. And adding compost to the soil before laying anything under the rocks is also important.
Got it. So what can we put under the landscape rocks?
We have a few options, like plastic landscape fabric and cardboard newspaper.
On one hand, plastic is effective in reducing weeds, but is not environmentally friendly and can tear. Landscape fabric lets your plants breathe, but is more expensive than plastic. And cardboard and newspaper degrades quickly and loses their ability to stop weeds.
That's pretty much it for today.